What's up guys, Adrian Amaral with 911 Gadgets. I want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving today, and I hope you guys are doing well with your families and enjoying a lot of turkey and ham and all that good stuff. I'm just going to show you guys real quick something that I used to do when I was a kid, type of stuff that I used to fiddle with. It's a short video. Please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so that you can see when I upload new videos. Alright guys, so this is the type of stuff that I used to do when I was a kid. This is for one of my, you guys can see the small screen. It's a light, okay, with a little magnifying glass. And it came with a weird connection. I bought it out of a yard sale, so I don't know why it's like this. So this is the type of stuff I would have done as a kid, alright? And I used to fix Nintendo 64 controllers and whatnot. So my brain is telling me, well, maybe I can connect this cable to another one. So I'm gonna try to do that. There it is. Trash this. Get a blade. Okay. So we're gonna try and see. Hopefully we don't blow a breaker. So I'm gonna go grab an old extension cord. Be right back. Okay, so I've got this old, I don't know what this is for, but I am going to cut it. This one open. And again, this is this type of stuff I used to do as a kid. Just open things up and figure stuff out. I'm gonna say, man, this is tricky. Well, I guess it doesn't matter, but we'll see. Go ahead and tie these together. I think it doesn't matter because, you know, when you go and plug something in, you go this way or this way, and it doesn't really matter. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's see if this is gonna work. I'm gonna turn on the light just so we can be ready. Bam! There you go. It's working. And a lot of people ask me, how did I get into fixing phones? Well, it's a long story. This is what I used to do as a kid, just fiddling with stuff, breaking stuff. My mom had to take me to the computer store many times to fix my computer that I broke, trying to fiddle with it and tinker with it. So there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and cap these off and tape it and make it look nice. Thank you guys for watching.